Alright, we are back in this garage. The Genie Pro screwdriver garage door opener. CM8600XL/M. Same door. Still don't know what kind it is. Metal rollers there. Springs. Right. And we have the new sensors that I put in. Very nice. They've been working great. I like these sensors a lot. Yeah. We'll just give this a. Gotta go around the other way. I'll just give this opener a couple runs. There we go. Opener is buzzing now. Have keypad. I'm not going to show you the outside of the door because they put new trim and house number on there, and I really don't want to edit it to blur it out. Actually, I'll show you the new sensors do work. Work perfectly. Did a pretty good job on that. I got a video on how to replace them when I was doing it. Alright, I was going to run it twice, but I'm just going to call it quits for this video because it's freezing cold out. But there you go, guys. Genie screwdriver. There you go. Check back, subscribe.